Hi there guys and welcome to this video. It's Femi here and I'm really glad you're here. In this video, I will be showing you how I wash my hair and I will also be showing you a review of the XHC shampoo and conditioner, which is what I will be using in this video. I was starting with a very tangled, dry, messy hair. As you can see, I just finished unraveling like a 3-strand twist and I'd left it on for like 2 days without removing it, so that's why it's looking all shades of old. I did not detangle my hair before deciding to wash it, so it's still like this. The first thing I did was to pour water in my hair. Now, since I did not detangle my hair, there is no way I want to put a shampoo in my hair. I started with water and I was going to use my fingers to lightly detangle it, as you can see right now. So it's not every time I can actually use my fingers to detangle my hair in the shower before I wash my hair. But I was able to excuse it this time because I just finished unraveling a 3-strand twist, and to a very large extent my hair was still very much stretched and it was just the little knot. This is how the shampoo is looking. It's said to be a purifying, cleansing and revitalizing shampoo, and I really like the packaging. That's the first thing I noticed about it and I was really impressed about it. I also want to tell you that you cannot use the shampoo on dry hair or damp hair. Your hair actually has to be wet if you want to make sure you get the best out of this shampoo. If your hair is not wet, you would realize that you're just using a whole lot of shampoo and you'll be getting pissed. So this is not a shampoo that you use without having your hair soaked with water. Getting to how I wash the hair, I focus on the roots. As much as I also wash the strands, the roots is what has my major focus, but because it is the roots that has the build up, it's the roots that has everything basically that I want to wash off, and I just want to clarify and purify, as the shampoo said it does. So I focus on the roots, and after I'm satisfied with that, I lightly go to the strands. As you can see, I walk the strands very gently and almost somehow kind of detangle it. If your hair is in like 6 sections or 4 sections, you may not have a lot to detangle. That's why it's also important to detangle your hair before you get in the shower to wash your hair. And I was also really gentle with it. That is what you have to be. I repeated the same for the other sections and I was gentle. I've seen some of us wash our hair and we get very, I don't know, it's like we're washing somewhere, we just want to be done washing our hair. The thing is that the time we wash hair is the time we experience so much breakage, apart from when you are unraveling some kind of style or the other, like a protective style or an attachment or something like that. Apart from then, you have the tendency to lose so much hair when you're washing your hair, so you want to be gentle and you want to make sure that you're also using a shampoo that will not strip your hair too bad. This shampoo is said not to have sulfate or silicones, which is why I even bought it in the first place, and I kind of expected it not to cleanse my scalp because I've noticed that shampoos that don't really have sulfate and silicones, they just feel like a moisturizing shampoo. I did not expect it to be clarifying, but I can say very well that this one definitely was. I was actually liking the way it felt in my hair. So the next thing I do is to rinse it off. You do not need to leave shampoo in your hair for an awfully long time. Guys, is this thing not satisfying? Like, see how you just blow. Anyway, I lightly use my fingers to just kind of, okay, no, I was doing the same thing on my hair right now. Yeah, and I just forgot that you could not see me. I'm going to be showing you my scalp now, and it was actually really neat. My scalp felt really clean. I'll rate it an 8 over 10. 8 over 10 because I don't know why I should rate it a 10 over 10. I think the reason I'm not rating it a 10 over 10 is because I'm still looking for the shampoo that will just make all the curls in my head to magically pop out. This is how the conditioner looks. Pretty much the same except for the cap, which is pink. This is also the application process, and I also liked it. It was creamy, which I liked, and I also made sure that my hair was wet. I don't wait for my hair to dry or get damp from the shampoo before I actually condition my hair. I'm moving with the conditioner immediately while my hair is still damp because I've noticed the application just goes in better. So I was doing the same thing I did with the shampoo, except that instead of like scratching my roots with my claws, I just massaged the shampoo. I just massaged the conditioner. Something I however noticed with the conditioner was while creamy, you still have to use a lot. It does not just distribute to all the sections in your hair. Even while my hair was sopping wet, the conditioner is good. I feel the conditioner is good enough, but then again, I did not like the fact that I had to keep applying and applying. But on the flip side, it's not too expensive, and even when you feel like you've used so much, by the time you look at your bottle, it's still a lot. So that's still something to be glad about. put it in two sections and I just twisted it, and then I left it on my hair for about 10 minutes. But this is what I spent those 10 minutes doing. Okay, we're done with that dancing, and this is how my hair is looking. I did not cover my hair with a cap as would usually be advised on the bottle because I was going to be doing a deep conditioning treatment. So yeah, I just did not want to cover my hair. Anyway, this is how it was looking. Yeah, it looked good enough. And I guess I prefer the shampoo to the conditioner. I preferred shampoo to the conditioner. I feel like the conditioner was fine, but then I did not really feel like it really conditioned my hair. I do not know why, but I would rate the conditioner a let's say 5. I rate the conditioner a 5 because I'm still like really impressed with the packaging. I just did not like the after. I did not like the after yet. Anyway, of course, I would rinse it out of my hair as I'm doing right now. And the same thing I said for the shampoo, you want to make sure that you are gently massaging your roots. You don't want to be too forceful with your hair. Now, this was the place I noticed that I was having split ends. So, bear it. The next day, I had to take some scissors to my hair and I trimmed my hair. If you'd like to see that video, I'm going to link it above for you. So yeah, I was checking how the texture looked now. It was not good. Bad. I'm rating it a 5. Maybe I should have covered it. I did not, and I'm rating it a 5. Anyway, this is the end of the video. I was putting it in this 3 whatever till I was ready to go and deep condition my hair. Deep condition. Did I say deep conditioning? Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I hope you know how to wash your hair properly now, and I hope you make your decision about buying the shampoo and the conditioner. Please click the like button, please subscribe, and please turn on the post notifications. Bye bye.